Good afternoon everyone, my name is Micah Lee. I'm a trainee solicitor at UK Solicitors. In 2017 I achieved a undergraduate law degree from Brunel University, and recently I completed my LPC LLM at the University of Law. I achieved a commendation for the LPC and a distinction for my Masters, in which I focused around or centered around asylum law. And in today's video we're going to briefly talk about asylum law, briefly touch on the requirements, and also the definitions, and hopefully in the next few videos we can talk about those requirements in greater detail. An asylum seeker is basically a person who has fled their home country because they fear persecution and they are seeking protection from the UK government. Now, anyone in the UK, regardless of their immigration status, can apply for asylum, whether they have a visa, whether they don't have a visa, came here as an illegal entrant, whether they have forged documents. The point is that, upon entry to the UK, so whether that's an airport or after entry to the UK, so whether they've been here for a few days, for a few years, they can apply for asylum. By applying for asylum, they're doing one of two things. So the first is that they're requesting international protection, and secondly, they are requesting to be recognised as a refugee under the Refugee Convention rules, and it would be contrary to the UK's obligations under the Refugee Convention to remove them or require them to leave the UK. Persecution is obviously an extremely important part of an asylum claim, and the sources of persecution can vary. Under Article 1, they have a list of categories of who this may be. So this could be the government, this could be state bodies such as police and the army acting upon government orders, and also failure of the state body to prevent the government from abusing their authority or power is a source of persecution. And also non-state bodies, so this could be anyone not even associated with the government, and also the legislation itself. So if the legislation is discriminatory or leaves an individual vulnerable to persecution. Persecution isn't strictly defined in the Refugee Convention, but there is guidance out there as to what may constitute or what persecution actually means. And hopefully in the next video we can discuss that in greater detail. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.